Educational psychology is the fascinating study of how people learn, especially in educational settings. It delves into the complexities of student motivation, the dynamics of classrooms, and the effectiveness of teaching methods. By understanding the principles of educational psychology, educators can unlock each student's unique potential and create a more effective and engaging learning environment. Imagine a classroom where teaching is tailored to individual learning styles and students are motivated to reach their full potential. Educational psychologists strive to make this vision a reality. They explore how factors such as development, cognition, and social interaction influence the learning process. Their research and insights have a direct impact on educational practices, shaping the way we teach and students learn. Through scientific research and observation, educational psychologists aim to answer fundamental questions about learning. How do students process information and retain knowledge? What motivates students to learn and excel? How can teachers create inclusive and supportive learning environments? By addressing these questions, educational psychology provides valuable tools for improving education for all. Educational psychology is built upon a foundation of influential theories that provide frameworks for understanding how students learn. One prominent theory is behaviorism, which focuses on observable behaviors and the role of reinforcement in learning. Behaviorists believe that learning occurs through a process of stimulus and response, with rewards and punishments shaping desired behaviors. In contrast to behaviorism's emphasis on external factors, cognitive theories delve into the inner workings of the mind, exploring how students process information, store knowledge, and solve problems. Cognitive psychologists view learners as active participants in constructing their own understanding. They emphasize the importance of mental processes, such as attention, memory, and metacognition. Social constructivism, championed by renowned psychologist Lev Vygotsky, highlights the social and collaborative nature of learning. Vygotsky believed that students learn best when they interact with others, particularly more knowledgeable peers or adults, within their zone of proximal development. This zone represents the gap between what a student can do independently and what they can achieve with guidance and support. Humanistic theories, represented by psychologists such as Abraham Maslow and Carl Rogers, emphasize the importance of individual needs, emotions, and self-concept in education. Humanistic educators believe in creating a supportive and nurturing learning environment where students feel safe to take risks, explore their creativity, and strive for self-actualization. Learning is not a passive process of absorbing information. Rather, it is an active endeavor in which students construct their own understanding through exploration, experimentation, and interaction. Effective learning occurs when students are actively engaged in the learning process, asking questions, seeking answers, and making connections between new information and prior knowledge. Motivation plays a crucial role in student learning. When students are motivated, they are more likely to invest effort, persist in the face of challenges, and achieve at higher levels. Educational psychologists recognize that motivation can be intrinsic, stemming from internal factors such as curiosity and a love of learning, or extrinsic, driven by external rewards or pressures. Learning is also a social process, influenced by the interactions and relationships within the classroom. Students learn from one another through collaboration, discussion, and observation. A positive and supportive classroom climate where students feel respected and valued can foster a love of learning and a sense of belonging. The context in which learning takes place significantly impacts student outcomes. Factors such as cultural background, prior experiences, and the learning environment can influence students' motivation, engagement, and academic achievement. Educational psychologists recognize the importance of creating culturally responsive learning environments that meet the diverse needs of all learners.